This is the cheapest paint you can buy. It used to be $1 a can, it's $2.48 now. Pretty much garbage. But if you look at the prices of all this other paint, you're ranging anywhere from $16 or $17 to basically $6 now is the lowest can you can get. So here is the Quick Color, the cheapest can you can buy. Let's see what the coverage looks like. That's why people don't like it. There's just literally no paint in here. It's like all water or whatever they have in here, but look how long that takes to get one little coat of paint on there. It's horrible. For the sake of the argument, let's just take a can of Rust-Oleum 2 times coverage, and we just saw what that other Quick Color did. Let's just pull a sheet of this down and give a little spray with this Rust-Oleum and see what happens. Well, that's a pretty big difference. That coats like instantly. That's the difference right there. Plus that can right there is 10 ounces. These are 12. So you be the judge if it's worth it or not to pay twice as much, over twice as much basically, by $1 to have better paint, or do you buy the 2 cheap cans?